Earthquakes! Pressure! Pressure!
Beginning of the second half, Galaxy and Greens got 6 points. Earthquakes and Whites have 0.
Yep.
Really? Wow. Galaxy 7, Earthquake 0.
Next game, Eli plays wherever he wants, whenever he wants. Go, Earthquake! Guys, push up, push up! Earthquakes, up! Up, up, up! Go, go, go! Up, up, up!
Keep it down!
Go, Brian!
Good block.
Good job, Cameron! Kyle, in the middle, Kyle! Play the ball early!
I gotta make space, I gotta make space.
Good job, Elise!
There you go, Cameron. Come on, Cameron.
Push it!
There you go, Cameron.
Everybody up! 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 Earthquakes! Move it up!
Oh, good try.
Left side, Luke, left side. Luke, your man's behind you. Get goal side on 13. There you go. Good job, Luke. Elif, other guy's yours. No, right here, back. Elif, the deep one.
Okay, come on.
Pass it, pass it.
Watch our offsides.
All right, guys, nice try. Keep it up.
We have a defender that hangs back.
Yeah.
Was that?
We have a defender that hangs way back, so you don't have to wait too much on our side.
There you go. There you go. You don't know where to kick it.
Mm-hmm.
Too much time.
Yeah.
Come on, Raph.
Jane, just hit the ball!
Gotta get that. Take it out wide.
Yeah.
Guys, no diving in.
Nice.
Set him off, Mac.
Oh. Number 7 on their side, that's their goalie. The one who was just had the ball.
Mac, take the kick.
If I play, can I dribble like I did? You told me I really can't dribble much.
If it's open, beat one man, don't beat
That's what
three.
they're doing. I want to dribble like that.
Well, I'd rather have it dribble and shoot, depending where you're at in the field. Go back, good ball. Get that ball.
Ow! Stay on side, stay on side.
Good job. Good job, Eli.
Earthquakes up! Earthquakes up!
Up! Francisco, wall right here. Exactly.
Look at Francisco. Help.
Get it,
Turn around, turn around. There you go.
There's a good trap.
There you go.
Nice job, Mateo. Earthquakes up! Up! Mateo up! Mateo, go!
You're offside. Stay outside.
Okay, Francisco.
Good job, Earthquakes! Luke, back up! Shoot it! Handball.
The dog's going to get the ball.
Leaf, back up. Come on, that's your man.
Luke, don't stay outside. Stay outside.
Luke, back up!
Watch out. There you go.
back down.
You got to be in the back, Luke. Luke, number 7. Number 7's yours.
Kai,
Goal side, Luke, goal
Kai,
side.
run short to him. Go short.
Brady.
Jackson, give it to Kai.
Brady.
There you go.
Luke, stay on number 7.
Go towards the goal.
Good try.
Earthquakes, up, back it up, up,
Jackson,
up,
we
up,
can
up,
do
up.
that every time if they give us the space.
Earthquakes, up, move it up. Mac, jog everybody up. Up, up.
Come on, Cameron. Go, Cameron. Oh,
I'll take that.
okay. Goal kick. I mean, corner kick.
You're fired.
I know. It's been too long playing the sport.
Mateo, Mateo, fill that space. Move up, move up. Take a shot if you get it.
Luke, get in front of 5.
Alif, throw it in.
Brady.
Oh my goodness.
Brady.
Why is Francisco way over there? Isn't he supposed to be on this side?
I think so.
Hmm.
Also, when the guy is dribbling towards you, don't dive into it. Stay in front of him. Okay? Once he messes up, then take goal. And fit. You're the last in the back. Luke, you're the back door here. Stay
Outside, Mac, outside.
Eugene, go in for Francisco.
One Mexican for another Mexican?
Good job, Mac. Well done.
Is his cleat size the right size as mine?
Luke, in the back, number 14. Mateo, number 7, behind you. Stay there for a minute. Mateo needs a sub.
Middle defense, John. Let's go. Yep. You're right in front of Mac. Middle defense. Right up in the middle. Okay. So you're in the middle of the field. Play left and right and middle. Okay. On defense only.
Okay.
Send him.
Oh, a little harder kick.
Nice hard kick. Okay, John. Jonathan, run. Jonathan, you can beat him.
Pass it.
Pass in the middle.
Oh, it's in the middle.
Nice, Ashton. Well done, Micah. Good job.
There you go.
Just like that, okay, John?
Oh, really? I was gonna say. Offsides.
Nice job.
Oh, you almost had it too.
Up.
It's offsides.
Bring it out, Mateo. Refs up.
Earthquake, move up, move up, move up.
Side kick. If it was yours, we could do a side. I forgot.
That's good. Kick it.
Come on, Luke, come on, Luke, dig, dig, dig.
Yeah, bud.
Here. Cross.
Get in front of him.
Oh, good run, baby.
Mac, take the kick. Francisco, back up over and get the ball.
Mateo.
You want to sub now, Joe? It's our kick. Go. Go.
I found the mistake I did. I stopped. When I get the ball, with the street, I'm mistaken.
Again, Mac.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Good stop. Oh. Oh, nice.
I don't want to get a yellow card again.
Again? Oh, that's always nice to hear. Okay. Okay.
Michael.
Man on, Cameron.
Take control.
Come on, win that ball. Win it.
Find the ball, pay attention behind it.
Who's middle? Who's middle?
Get a corner out of it.
Yeah, goal kick.
Ref. Luke, take a little breather.
Luke, stay at midfield. Don't go
No, a
forward.
little rest.
Right, Jin.
Where's that come from? John, that guy in front of you is yours.
Okay, you good.
Luke, you're on 17. Get goal side. Stay on our side of him, Luke. Exactly. Very good. Good job. Good hustle. Good hustle. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Nice throw.
Luke, back up.
Wide, go wide with that either.
Oh, come on. Oh. Uh-oh. Good job, Eli.
The thing I realized, we have to also pass it to the team.
Uh-oh.
Jake, you play goalkeeper? If you can't, that's okay, buddy. I understand. Nice.
The thing that we're doing now is that we're all going through.
Okay, let's go, Earthquake. Move it up.
You got this. It's okay.
Watch balance. Watch balance.
Let's go.
Oh my bad.
Oh, nice.
Ah.
Take that. Connor.
Luke, get behind him. Get behind him. Luke, that's your ball.
Alright, good job, Mac.
We're going better than first half.
Clear it. Again. Nice.
Good kick.
Send him. Wing.
Ooh.
Keep going.
Pass. Connor.
Pass.
Job, Eli.
Good job, Eli.
Luke, back up. By the goal, Luke. Luke, by the goal. You're not fullback.
We're backing on his helping the goal.
Good job, Cameron.
You take that.
There you go, Luke.
Top angle, Kieran.
Mac,
Let's
take the
cross
kick.
that. I'm not gonna go that far over here because if they got the ball.
The ball's not coming further than that. It's not going to be any good to stand still without a ball.
No, I'm just saying if the ball goes over here, I'm not gonna
Once you go towards the middle, it takes your take one first.
Go give Ashton a break, please.
John, walk it up.
So that's
Get
right
all those
halfback,
guys in
okay?
front of you. Guys, back it up, Earthquake! You can't kick that far, guys. Come on. Great, Elise. Good job.
Ugh.
Outside, outside!
Oh, Brian,
Kick it out.
Brian, go outside, outside. Nice.
There you go. There you go.
Good,
Okay.
Good touch, Cameron. Middle. Speed, Jonathan.
Hey. Come on, Francisco. Pass it up.
Francisco.
Yeah, remember, Connor, you're not forward though. You're right mid.
Up.
Let's see you.
Go ahead.
Ashton.
Hang in there, Luke. We'll
Run,
get you
run,
next time.
please, run.
Defense, up on the line. Guys, everybody up on the line.
Right halfback, okay, Jonathan? Right halfback.
Okay.
Good job, buddy.
That's it.
Grab some water.
We'll give us 5 or 10 minutes. Luke wants a sub.
Down the line.
You'll do fine.
Get on right here.
Good job.
Ref. Sub ref. Luke. All right, Jake, you're right here, buddy. Mac. Jake's playing left fullback for you. Jake, back up. Your ball, Jake.
Get him! There you go.
There you go, Jake.
Good job, Jake.
Well done.
That was great.
Yeah, I'll push you up in a little bit. See, I'll switch you and Micah both.
Tarifa. Need a body up there. Jake, where you at?
Protecting the goal.
Clear it. And go.
No. There you go. Go.
Pull it back.
Oh, there you go.
Shoot it.
Shoot it.
Tarifa, good job.
Need a sub?
Yep.
Jake, your ball.
Come on, John.
There you go, Jake. Nice.
Jake.
Good job, Jake.
Mac, hang in there. This time, stay there.
You okay, Kyle? Sub? Kyle, help.
We'll do it after.
How much time do we have left?
Yeah, Kieran's playing. Actually, Kieran's playing the
Okay.
Jonathan, take
Back.
a breather and then I'm going to push you up.
Take the kick, Mateo.
Here, Mateo, take the kick.
Sorry, Mateo. I didn't know that, Mateo. Get some water. If you can go back in, give me about 5-10 minutes. So you can handle it. Give me 3 and I should be good. All right. Sit down, buddy. Get some water. Sit down. Mateo, take the kick. Earthquakes, back up to get the ball. Tarifa. Guys, back up to get the ball. Back it up. No. Sit down. Catch your breath. Time to rest when you can. Sit. Grab your water.
Go kick Mateo, take the edge.
Francisco, walk towards the middle over there. That ball bounces out. I want you to get it.
That's on.
Micah, switch with Asher. Asher, you playing the sweeper.
So basically, when I get the ball, you want me to run and then start an attack.
Move up, guys, move up.
Get rid of it, Cameron.
There you go, Jakey. Uh-oh.
Careful, Jackson.
Hang in there, Jake. You all right? Mateo, take it. Earthquakes, move up.
Good job, Jake.
Look at Francisco.
Micah, yeah.
Francisco.
You can play up a little bit, Micah.
Now Francisco.
Well, Francisco changed the camera in.
Mike, get it.
Micah! Somebody!
Nice passing, guys. There you go. Good patience, Brady.
Come on, Jakey. Come on, Jakey. Come on, Jake.
There you go.
There you go.
Bird out.
Wait, that wasn't offside, right? The defender's like behind you.
They didn't see it.
Jake, back up. Jake, number 17, back up.
If you want to, you can drop Jackson.
Let's throw that in.
Guys, get open it!
Oh, good job, Cameron.
Hunter, pass to the left. Left, oh! Micah.
Clear it, clear it, clear it.
I tried to
Nice, Micah.
Is that a corner?
Who's gonna take the corner?
Should be a goal kick. Nobody touched it.
Ref, goal kick. Thank you, sir. Eli, take it.
You want the goalie
Goal
to...
kick. Up in the air, Eli, up in the air.
Nah.
Jake, come here, go here. Referee.
What the heck was that?
Our throw. Our throw, guys.
I thought it'd be the other guy.
Go throw it in.
You want to play defense, right?
No, you want to be goal side up in here, right? Francisco. No,
Hey, pass it up, Francisco. Pass it up.
You need to line up.
Nice pass, Noah.
I even know. What even is that?
Play goal side.
Okay.
Good.
Good job, Mateo.
Hey, Noah, you gotta get back. Noah, your defense. What are you doing?
John, move it up.
Like he said.
John, move it up.
Oh, you're kidding me, really? Oh, offsides.
John, on the line. Everybody on the line. On the line. Jake. Up. On the line, guys. Move it up.
He admitted it. He meant it.
Alif. Keep the ball on their half, guys.
So you said leave.
Oh.
Jake, you're over here. Go ahead, call him.
John and a leaf.
Or do you want to go left there? Down the line. Or you can go
Jake,
left and
this is your guy right here.
Or actually, you can drop Jackson slightly behind
Jake, stay goal side behind him. Stay goal side.
you. Ref, can I sub too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ethan. Guy.
10 minutes.
Jackson, you just drop attacking mid.
10.
Right behind Kieran, yeah.
All right, like this, like this.
Yeah, like in the middle, yeah.
We got Kyle right D. Right
Mateo. Mateo, over here. Over here, number 7.
Nice ball, Jackson.
Ryan, you can move over all the way to the middle.
We're defending more than us.
Go.
Let's go, Noah. It's all you now, Noah.
Watch your offsides.
Come on, don't give up.
Oh.
Onside, Kieran.
Get him, Jake. It's your ball.
Get in front of him.
Keep going, Jake. Keep fighting. There you
Ooh,
go.
nice.
Good job, Jake.
Awesome.
This kid's got wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Mine creaks a lot. Jake, your ball.
Go, Brian.
Good job, Eli.
Earthquakes up. Man on. Offsides, ref. Mac, take the kick. Earthquakes, move it up. Francisco, get on the midfield line. Get on, no, our midfield line. Up
Over
midfield,
here.
midfield. You're not offsides if you're on our side of the field. The ball goes over the top. I want you to beat them to it.
That's good.
Yeah, move over now. Go towards the middle. The ball's on the far side. Don't stop passing the ball. Kick the shit out of it. What piddly, cutesy little things we're doing.
I think they're worried about slipping and falling.
Slip and fall, who cares?
Yeah, but I think there's like 4 people.
The hospital visit, I think they're worried about. Okay, there we go. Yeah, yes. For being smaller than him, yeah.
So I don't know.
Earthquakes, everybody up! Defense on midfield line. Mateo, go. Mateo, top of the box.
Yeah, let me hold it again, right? You guys can go and do a late kick. Oh, you're going to do it?
Shoot, Cameron, shoot!
There it is.
Yeah, all right. Earthquakes 1, Galaxy 7.
Yeah, I heard that you lost
That first one took 30 minutes to do it.
Good job, Cameron.
Goal a minute. Good job, Earthquake. Good hustle.
It was my idea to do it.
Good. Hang in there.
Yeah, we're all dumping stuff here. There you go.
Pass it up, Karifa.
Go,
There you go. Okay.
Chip it over him.
Shoot it, Francisco. Ah, good try.
Trap it.
Oh, nice, Mateo. Oh.
Keep going.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like it.
There you go.
Good job, Brian.
Now Cameron's. Let's check Cameron. Yeah, no, he's not.
Get rid of it.
Oh, good try, Cameron. Good try.
Nice. Ah, you ran around the ball. Come on, fight. Now we're.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh,
Brian.
go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, Brian.
Offside.
Yeah, offsides.
Gotta walk it back. Earthquakes, turn around! Earthquakes, turn around!
Yeah, Brian.
Take control, Brian.
There you go.
Good one.
Get rid of it!
Watch your offsides.
Brian, watch the outside, Brian.
Good job, Jake.
Again.
Do it again.
Brian, you're a halfback. You need to get back there.
Keep in front of him, Jake. Ooh, nice.
On green. Well done, Jake.
Good job, Jake. Awesome.
Mac, kick. Jake, good job, buddy. Walk it up.
Brian, you need one? Okay.
Never mind. Never mind.
Can you dress up?
Next up. Mac, hit it hard and high. Guys, come over here. Check in.
Oh, you slipped. Oh. There you go. Good job, Jake. Holy moly.
Up the line.
There you go. Good one.
Get rid of it, Karifa. Go. Go.
Come on, Cameron.
Pressure.
Jackson, take control of it.
Oh. Yeah, he is. Shoot it, Cameron. Oh, good try.
Nice try, guys.
Back to the ball, Brady. You shouldn't think that far.
Come on, Mateo. Good job, Mateo.
But he made it. I thought he kicked the ball, had a forward momentum, and then he had to
Take control. Jackson.
go. Still marshaling defense.
He's supposed to be up there.
Offside. Good job, Mac. It's still in.
It's still in. Okay, Jake.
Clear it.
Get it out of there.
Go, Brian. Push it, Brian. Good job, Jonathan.
Play. Referee.
Oh, he hit his hand. Oh, I thought he hit something else. Well, he's going this right here. I'm like, oh, okay, that's going to hurt.
I was already about to take him out. Can I just bring him out?
Trying to come out?
Can we do something?
I'm on D right now.
Ref, can we stop on the injury?
Oh, let me sub him in too then.
Karifa.
Karifa.
Asher.
Karifa.
How do you see, bud?
Go ahead, Ali.
Right forward, Elite.
Yo, what's JD? JD, where?
Who's coming out?
Karifa, come on, jog it off.
Yo, what's JD?
Sorry, Ref.
Yo, what's JD?
Yeah, no.
JD's playing in the midfield. Attack.
You could have did a little cleaner.
I dropped back. I switched with Andreas to D.
Oh, you switched with Andreas. Okay, stay back there.
Our right defense.
Oh, it's a drop ball? Oh.
Play.
Ooh. Oh, there goes Cameron. It's a throw in.
Defense up. Mac, get everybody on the line. Jake, up. 14 and 7. 2 guys to watch, Jake.
I know.
Oh, Francisco.
I mean, it's good. Buddy.
Ah, jeez, they got hard throws.
Come on, don't give up. There you go.
Thanks. I just have to ask if you go to a baseball game.
Offside. Thank you. Mac, take the kick.
At the end of the game,
Good job, guys.
Earthquakes 1, Galaxy 7.